See how long we last before I get shouted by Lily. Not really what we're up to now. Right. Gonna use. This is where you start forgetting where things are from. Because I've no idea why that screws over. Right. So you. So you're coming out and you're going in. Oh, which means we're going to have to take all that out. Oh, the cable ties in the garage. Oh, I'm going to regret doing this, aren't I? Hopefully it's going to be the same size. Let's just start from doing. Let me know if you can hear Lily in the background. She will probably start singing at some point. You can cable tie everything up after. Most servos are standard size unless, like we did first time, got the WL ties, we had to modify the brace because they have their own 5-wire system, which, being a semi-newbie to all this when we got back into it, all the ones I've used in the past have all been petrol or nitro. Wow, and that was really easy. I'm only taking this horn off because I'm not sure whether, no, that ain't going in there. Right, that's not going in there. You don't need to buy expensive tools. You don't need to buy expensive tools. Keep it simple. Don't, if you're not going to be in the hobby for long, don't go all out and buy expensive tools. Otherwise you'll never get back what you paid for them anyway. Wow, slight difference. Plastic, metal, all metal gears, but thankfully 3-wire. Say, figure out the wire later. And I'll take those off. The original servo fit perfectly into this little bracket, but with the new one being so much wider, in fact, I think I've got one underneath. Which I had to modify, which you need to get used to doing. Upgrading, modifying. You can pick all this up just by doing it. Does help having a mechanical background. I'll admit that. But if you want to learn how to do something, just pick a screwdriver up, undo it. Where's all them tiny? Better bin them all. Look, that's 3. That's a 3, that's a 3, that's a 3. I don't tend to keep 5 wire. Oh, that's a 5. That's out of another one. Slightly different scale, but that's 5 as opposed to 3. It's what you find on most modern RC cars now. And after all that, I didn't need to undo that. But I'm not going to have, or am I? I will. I'm going to change that for hex. Because Phillips screws are no good. You can find these on eBay, worth their weight in gold. Doesn't matter if you're never going to use half of them. And I'm probably going to get shouted at by loads of people for not using lock thread on most of this, but nothing's ever come undone yet. The bigger cars, I'll admit, I actually put lock thread on the motors, mounts and things, because the one we acquired, they already acquired, my motor came loose at the skate park 2 days ago. But as this is only a servo, and the remote is downstairs. Yeah, I'm going to go and check that first before carrying on.